Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to mute notification from people you don't follow on X, formerly known as Twitter. Here's how to do it. Open your X app, click on your profile at the top left corner, go to settings and support, click on settings and privacy. Now go to notifications, go to filters, click on muted notifications. Make sure you check you don't follow. From now on, X is going to mute notification from people you don't follow. So that's how you mute notification from people you don't follow on X. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.